The experiment that completely shatters our understanding of reality is called the double-slit experiment. Imagine firing metal balls through a single slit onto a screen. You get one stripe exactly where the balls hit. Add a second slit and you get two stripes. Makes sense. But with waves, it's different. One slit gives one stripe, but two slits create an interference pattern. The waves overlap and interact. Now comes the real experiment. When scientists fired electrons through a single slit, they behaved like particles, forming one stripe. But with two slits, something strange happened. The electrons formed an interference pattern, just like waves. So maybe the electrons were interacting with each other? To test that, scientists fired the electrons one at a time. Still, the interference pattern remained. How is that possible? Quantum mechanics explains it this way. The behavior of an electron is described by a wave function, which spreads through both slits. These possible paths interfere with each other. And when the electron hits the screen, its position is determined by probability. Then scientists tried to observe which slit the electron went through by placing a detector. And here's where it gets wild. The moment they started observing, the interference pattern vanished. The electrons now acted like regular particles, forming two stripes, just like the metal balls. The conclusion: until it's measured, the electron exists in a superposition, all paths at once, and interferes with itself like a wave of probability. This is called the observer effect. The very act of measuring collapses the wave function. Uncertainty disappears, and the electron chooses one path, behaving like a particle. This is the moment where potential becomes reality, and it challenges everything we think we know. Does consciousness affect the physical world? Does reality exist only when observed? Some say this supports the simulation theory, but science still has no clear answer.